What is up, my buttery biscuits? So in today's video, we're going to be discussing how Norvina and Anastasia Beverly Hills are dropping hundreds, literally hundreds of people off of their PR list. You guys, I can't even believe I'm making a video about this only because I can't believe it's becoming such a big deal on Twitter. And I have my opinion about it, so that's why I wanted to make this video. But I really am curious about your guys' opinions on this topic because I want to see it through a different lens. I want to see it through your guys' eyes because I'll tell you guys my opinions at the end and then you guys could tell me, you know? Anyways, before we jump into that, I wanted to get your guys' opinions on two products because I wanted to do a review on them, but only if you guys want me to do a review on them. I wanted to try out the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer and do a review of that. Also, a couple years ago, I did a review of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I actually really liked it. And I believe 2 years ago, it was $4. Now they came out with a new one, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Finish one. So I'm kind of like, ooh, I want to try it. You guys know my skin has been super dry recently, and I don't know, it's like the weirdest thing. I did that Estee Lauder Futurist foundation review, and y'all, I was just like so shook at how bomb that was, and I've been wearing it the past couple days, and I'm like, what? I can't believe it because my skin used to be so oily, and now I'm over here dry using a hydrating foundation, and it looked so good, and oh my god, I could not believe how good it looked in my fine lines and wrinkles. It was really crazy, so I'm shook by that. So I'm over here just okay, let me try more hydrating products. So let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on that, because if you guys want me to do a review, I would love to do a review. Y'all know I love reviewing complexion products. That's my favorite thing to do. But let me know down in the comments down below. Anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate that. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so just in case you guys have not heard, Norvina is kind of taking over the brand for Anastasia, right? And Anastasia has built this whole empire, and I feel like it's so crazy to me. Maybe I'm a little bit delusional. I kind of want your guys' opinion on this too. Everyone on Twitter is saying, not everyone, a lot of people are saying that Norvina is tarnishing Anastasia's reputation and tarnishing the brand because it's just overkill, and she's come out with I don't know, I think it was 12 palettes or something like that in 2019, so people feel what is going on? Anastasia used to have limited special launches that were such a big deal, and now it's just oversaturation with product, and people feel that's tied to Norvina, and they feel she's weighing down the brand. To me, it's kind of crazy. This is why I say maybe I'm delusional, is because yes, I do think they are coming out with too many palettes. It's just chill, stop with the damn palettes. Jesus, come out with 4 or 5 a year and that's cool, but 12, 13, it's just too much, you know? But since Norvina came on, I could totally be wrong about this, I don't have the facts on this, but since Norvina came on, I believe she came out with this new formula, which was the Pro Pigment formula in the Norvina Volume 1, and you guys know that is literally my favorite palette. I love that palette so much. Not only just the colors, but the pigmentation and the blendability of them. It is just, oh, it's so amazing. It's my favorite palette, you guys know that. I really want to pick up the Volume 3, I think it is, or 2, I don't remember, the orange one, because I get a 30% or 40% discount at Namie, so I've been meaning to pick that up to see if it's the same quality as the purple one, because that one, oh, it's just so bomb. Anyways, so I feel because she came on, that formula to me, I was like, ooh, that's bomb. Because y'all know I've had my problems in the past before with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. The palettes to me, the Prism and the Subculture were just like a no-go. I don't know why, they were just really terrible. But a lot of people feel she's tarnishing the brand, and I feel I don't know, I feel better products are coming out. Maybe I'm just delusional, I don't really know. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Let me go ahead and get into this. The other day, she posted out a tweet, 4 days ago actually, "I still love you and am rooting for you." And then someone replied to her, "This is from what I've been hearing through the grapevine with PR. But the truth is, you have a business that needs to be measured carefully and know exactly what needs to be done and needs to change. No easy task. You supported, gave opportunities, and most of all, love." And then this is what Norvina had tweeted back to this. I think it was yesterday she came out with an official statement, but this is what she tweeted back to the girl. She said, "It's not over anything, but it's getting so big. The expenses are in the millions yearly, and our new social people are now running metrics. The pressure from both sides is wild." So it's costing her a lot of money because she has so many people on the PR list, so she is now taking hundreds of people off the PR list, but she's going to be doing another PR search to add more people to the list. So basically it's kind of out with the old, in with the new, you know, to get some fresh faces on there. So she made this tweet yesterday actually. I did a check on the PR list removals. I know there are a lot of hurt feelings still. The total is 350 out of 2,100. The team reminded me that last year prior to the searches we removed 700 as we had not looked at the list closely in 2+ years. We need to make room for new people. We love being able to support artists without ever looking at a follower count, but at the end of the day this is a business, we have our limitations, and we still want to continue supporting the community. So since this has happened, oh my gosh, if you guys are on Twitter, if you guys follow Norvina or anything going on with that, people are literally like outraged by it. And this, to me, this is where I'm like, I want your guys' thoughts and opinions, because y'all, maybe I just come from, y'all know I come from real humble beginnings, you know, like literally like dirt poor, you know, growing up in the projects. Y'all know what's up, right? To me, when you're getting anything, and I mean anything, it could be a free lipstick from a brand, I am literally like, oh my god, I'm so excited to get that, because that's something that I didn't have to pay for, and that's something that the brand is giving to me as a gift. And I think that that's super awesome. So people get so entitled and feel like they really are entitled to get this when it's like, that's free product that they never had to give to you. And people are on Twitter over here like, this is messed up, you got our hopes up for this, I thought I was gonna be on the PR list for life, I am so mad at ABH. People are literally saying they're no longer gonna support ABH because of this, and I'm just like, you guys, they gave out thousands of PR packages that were in the millions, and you know they were in the millions. This is what people think. Like, y'all, I understand that the product, when you're buying it in a whole, is gonna be on the cheaper end. Like, let's keep it real. The palettes that they sell for $45 probably cost like maybe 10 bucks, you know, 8 or 10 bucks. And that stuff adds up. If you guys have not seen the PR list that they, the PR packages that they sent out to people that when they were doing the PR search, it was like, I don't know if I'm like being dramatic, but it was like hundreds of products. There was like a big old box full of stuff, and it was so crazy. And I'm like, that is literally thousands of dollars right there per person. So I just don't understand how people get so hurt by this. Like, I understand it does suck. I will say it sucks to be on a PR list and be taken off. Y'all know I've had my fair share of that. You guys know I've been very open about it though. Like ColourPop took me off their PR list. Glam Glow took me off their PR list. I believe Makeup Forever at this point took me off their PR list. Glam Glow recently sent me something though, so I'm surprised by that. But everything honestly it's all my fault. Straight up, real with you guys, it's 100% my fault that I was taken off the PR list, because I started being inactive. I didn't post on social media for like 6 months. I took my long break in the beginning of 2019, and that's my fault, you know, 100%. But the reality of the situation is I am so grateful that I was even ever on the list, that the brand reached out to me and wanted to send me these gifts. I thought it was so awesome, and I never had any type of hard feelings when I was taken off the list. And y'all know this, I did 2 skincare videos, I believe, or like maybe one was like a haul and then a skincare video, where I was like, Glam Glow was still in my purchases and in my favorites, because I love Glam Glow, and it really sucked to be off their PR list, but I was like, hey, their products are still bomb. I was so excited to be able to get those moisturizers and those cleansers and masks while I was on the list. Like, I'm so grateful for that. I'm not gonna stop supporting the brand just because they took me off the list. At the end of the day, a business is a business no matter what. And if it's costing her millions of dollars to keep this many people on the PR list, and it's kind of like, it's not coming back around, they're kind of like, okay, you know what? We sent out 1,000 PR packages, and you know what? We're not generating revenue from that. We need to try new, fresh faces. It makes perfect sense. And I feel like so many people are getting so hurt over this, and it's just kind of like, y'all, just be happy for what you got. You got something in the first place that was never like, come on, y'all, it's something like, you know, say for example, if you get a birthday gift from somebody, like a long lost cousin, they give you a birthday gift and it's like a crappy old sweater, you know, let's just say. Be happy that you got something, you know? It's just like, be happy for what you got. And I feel like people are like literally going ham over this, and I completely disagree with people going ham. I don't get it. And other people too that are not even on the PR list are saying this is grimy, this is dirty, this is shady. I don't think so. I feel like, y'all, they have so many people on their PR list, and they gotta make room for new people and, you know, give products to new people. Also, another thing that I wanted to talk about, a lot of people are getting so upset about, and y'all are gonna be, I feel like, a little shook of my opinion on this. A lot of people are getting upset that Anastasia Beverly Hills has drama channels on their PR list, and people are saying, wait, why does a drama channel need to be on a PR list when all they're doing is commentary videos? They don't even do makeup in their videos, so what is the purpose of them being on the PR list? And I have to say, I low-key kind of agree. Like, I really, really do. And I've seen a couple drama channels tweet out about it, like kind of getting a little defensive over it. And I'm like, y'all, let's keep it real. What is the purpose of a drama channel, like having PR? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. I feel like if you want to put me in that category, y'all know what's up. Like, I do makeup. Like, literally look at my channel. I do makeup. I do reviews. I've been doing makeup forever, so I feel like I would be a different, I'm not even trying to sit over here and like defend myself and be like, I'm different, but I do makeup. Y'all know that. And I feel like other drama channels are literally just commentary only. So I feel like it just doesn't really make sense. And in my personal opinion, this is just my personal opinion, okay? I feel the reason why they have certain drama channels on their PR list is because they kind of want them to talk good of the brand and not speak negatively of the brand. That's just my personal opinion. I could totally be wrong, but that's just the way it comes across to me in my personal opinion. I could totally be wrong, all right? Anyways, moving on, people were saying that it's very unprofessional of the brand to tweet out about this. They feel like Norvina should have never tweeted about it, and emails should have been sent to each individual person who was taken off of the list. And this is where I'm just kind of like, we're living in a new generation, and I feel like posting a tweet is so much easier than emailing hundreds of people. I don't know, but a lot of people were coming at Norvina for saying this is super unprofessional of you, because one person tweeted to her and said, is the only way to know if we've been removed from the list is if we email Natalia? And I'm assuming Natalia is the coordinator of the PR list. I got the recent launch and don't want to email and waste time if that means I'm still on. Norvina responded to her, I mean, you could email her and wait for her to get it to you, or you can wait for the next launch. And she said, I'll just wait, whatever. This is the thing, people were kind of like, okay, that's super unprofessional. Like, no, there should be email sent out. I don't feel like it's really owed to people to say, hey, you're being taken off the PR list. And perfect example too of like Kat Von D. I thought I was on Kat Von D's PR list years ago. I think it was like 4 years ago. She sent me this big old box full of foundations and brushes and concealers. So therefore I thought I was on the PR list. And I like literally never got another product after that. Like, I got a mascara, which actually ironically was like 7 months ago. Everything in between, never got anything from the brand. So I was kind of like, huh, what? I never knew what was up with that, but it was just like a gift. It wasn't that I was on the PR list permanently, you get me? I feel like that's exactly what Anastasia did right here. They put new people on the list to get them to generate buzz about new product, and I don't think that they're getting the return that they were expecting, so now they're like, ooh, we gotta cut people off, add new faces on here, and hopefully see if we can generate some new revenue. Anyways, I don't feel, in my personal opinion, I don't feel like a brand needs to email somebody to say, hey, you're off the list, because what if in the future they still keep their email and decide to send them a gift, like I'm saying, like Kat Von D did with me, and sent a mascara years ahead in the future. You know what I mean? I don't feel like it's necessary to say you're off the list when, who knows, maybe in the future they'll be like, hey, we got some extra product, let's send some out to some other people that were on the list before or something, you get me? I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. I feel like overall people are acting really, really entitled to free product, you guys. This is something that, like, be happy that you got that first initial PR package, because that PR package alone was so bomb. I was literally sitting there like, damn, I'm jealous and I wish I got that PR package, because whew, it was, oh my gosh, like so many products, so many products. And I feel that's gracious of the brand to even do that, you know? Obviously they did have something to gain from it. The brand is doing it obviously to generate revenue. I totally get it, but it's still an awesome thing to receive, and I just feel like people are just acting way too entitled. And don't be hurt about it, y'all. Like, in the future you'll have plenty more opportunities and other brands will hit you up, and maybe even ABH will hit you up in the future. You know, things do come around. Just don't act so entitled over things. Anyways, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on the brand. Like, do you guys think that it's tarnished because Norvina's taking it over? Do you guys think it's shady that they're taking this many people off of the list to add more people onto the list? Because, I don't know, it makes perfect sense to me, and I feel like that's what you have to do as a business. Get fresh faces on there to generate more customers, you know? That's just my thought. I don't know. Could be wrong. Anyways, let me know all your thoughts on this, because I'd love to hear it down in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.